Right about now, I'm getting ready to go to Dillard's to hopefully exchange these shoes. I really picked up the wrong size. I think they'll work for me, but wrong. Sorry about that. My camera actually cut off and I had to change the battery. This little Canon, I can't stand it. I really can't. My old camera, of course, you had a cord you could plug in, but all of this new stuff with these batteries, I'm just so tired of it. I don't know what to do. But anyway, I'm getting ready to head out like I said. And, y'all ain't gonna believe what I got on. Let me show y'all. Yep, your girl is rocking a crop top. I am. I am not scared. I ain't scared. Okay, so it is from Amazon, and these pants, I can't even remember. Are these from Amazon? They may be, or either JCPenney. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure. That's it. And we out.
Then you fall back.
Well, we ran here to Lowe's, and guess what? Look who got some plants finally once summer is about to end. Girl, got an azalea bush. I don't even know what these are, but there's some beautiful hanging baskets. Yeah, all of that. All that stuff I like that I don't know the name of. I don't know about where y'all at, but it's so hot out here, my eyeballs are sweating. Oh my God. Woo! I tell you what, I hate we took the pool down because I'm ready to have a dip in the pool today. For real, for real. Maybe we can swing around one of these hotels and just dive in or something. Okay. Okay, it's a dark side over here. Look at Maddie, y'all.
No, don't put me on there.
Say hey to Maddie. I am really trying to get this lighting right in the kitchen. What do I need to do? Do I need to brighten it up some more? Wow. That's weird. That's weirder. Maybe that's it. Yeah, maybe that's it. What's up? How you doing today? It's the next day. Yeah. I'm getting ready to cook me a hoagie sandwich. Been wanting one of those for a minute. My eyes are watering today. I'm taking me some sinus medicine. And I'm gonna get in this kitchen. Well, I'm in the kitchen already. Silly me. And get this hoagie sandwich done. I got a mess over there. Clean up that. Already got my steak out, and I was eating some grapes and cut up my peppers, and we're gonna do this.
Wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want.
It's almost ready, y'all. Oh, oh, oh. I've been waiting on this so.
You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart.
So y'all know Mikey D put the mulch down. Where's that wasp at? Oh my God. Girl, you ain't gonna even help me out. This is a rose bush that's seen better days, but we're gonna leave it there. But I did add some more solar lights into the flower bed. Did y'all see that one? Oh, it's so pretty. I got another one of those. But we've got to, we didn't put any kind of plastic under the mulch and stuff, but I did not even put down any soil, so I'll just do that as I plant stuff. Okay, but anyway, this is this side, which doesn't say a whole lot, and then we move on to the porch, and I have some mums. Now I know the name of my plants now, chrysanthemums.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Okay, thank you. And over here, those are the azalea bushes I've had. This one just grew out of control. I need to move it down there since it's going crazy. Move these big ones down there and put in little ones across here, which I think that's what I'm having to do. He's not going to like the idea because it's a lot of work, but looks good to me. And I put a couple more of the solar lights. A couple of them have blown out. And in this flower bed, I put another light there. That's old. That's old. More lights. And these are impatiens. I got one more basket here. More lights. And I planted an white leaf azalea bush. Well, white bloom azalea bush here. So that's it. But I want to show y'all that. And I'm out. Okay. See y'all.